VideoStew. If you're running a blog now, you can easily start managing a YouTube channel as well. In an era where YouTube serves as the second largest search engine in global following Google, the explanatory and communicative power of videos is undeniable. However, for content creators without video editing skills, creating such video content is not an easy task. Let me introduce you to VideoStew. VideoStew is an AI video editing solution that you can use directly from the website. If you're proficient with PowerPoint, you can use it easily without a steep learning curve. In this video, I will briefly show you how to transform a blog post into a video. First, log into VideoStew and click the Create New Project button at the top left. Then I will enter the title of the article. Next, I'll start working with the URL that contains the main text. Now I'll paste the address of the blog post into this input field. After moving to the next step, the blog content will be fully imported shortly. Then I'll click the AI Assistant button at the top right to adapt it into a narration suitable for the video. Specify the length of the video and confirm. And the AI will diligently summarize the blog content and convert it into a script suitable for video. After reviewing the final script and making final adjustments, let's move on to the next step. In the last step, you can set everything by yourself, or you can simply load the recipe that VideoStew offers. Since all elements can be modified at any time, just choose any template and move on. Now AI will create slides for each paragraph and match appropriate stock videos, and once done you'll enter an editing mode where you can freely modify like PowerPoint. You can also upload your own images or videos and drag and drop them, or decorate using sticker images. Through real-time preview, you can check your work and quickly find and edit slides that need modification. Once the work is done, just click the download button to start rendering the video. Video rendering is performed on cloud servers, so you can always use it comfortably regardless of your computer's performance. Once rendering is complete, you can download the video file, or directly publish it to your managed channel by clicking the YouTube upload button. And when uploading directly to YouTube, it's important to fill in the description thoroughly to make our video stand out. So click the title at the top left and use the AI recommendation feature to generate descriptions and hashtags all at once. In this video, we quickly looked at the process of turning a blog posting into a video. If you've always been considering better ways to convey information in your work, I strongly recommend trying out VideoStew.